Hey, I'm back. Me and little girl has been sitting here talking. We don't know what the fuck's happening or what's really going on, but we're gonna finish our ride, you know what I mean? We're gonna finish this mother effer ride, get this shit done. Come on, little girls, yit y'all, yit y'all. Oh yeah, Penny's fired up. Dude, look how far ahead she is. You guys put, like, she's fired up. Cut. Come on, little girl. Look, we got some action. Another sheriff. Another sheriff. Come on, Pooh. Come on, little girls. Come on. Oh, shit. I almost ate shit. No. Come on, little girls. Let's go. Okay, let's turn it up. Saturday, yo. How you doing? Come on, little girl. This is spooky music. How you doing? What happened? In this canal or in the river? Right on. Well, I hope things get figured out or better or whatever. Yeah, we're paying attention. Thank you. Huh. Well, that doesn't sound good. There's been an incident. Come on, little girls, get some water. Crazy. Come on, little girls, you good? Yeah, there's some crazy action on the trail today, yo. Like, I'm kind of confused why the dude's on a mountain bike up here and there's sheriffs down there, and well, we'll stick with little girls and make sure she don't get ran over. Let's turn on the, oh, little girls. Let's turn on some tunes. It's still Saturday. I guess my Saturday, for what it's worth, didn't turn out too bad. I was all stressed out earlier. I'm not even sure what I was stressed out about. Maybe because I only get like 5 hours of sleep, and then I gotta hurry and hurry and hurry and hurry with everything I do. Now it's like dinner time. Now I gotta eat, and then I gotta sleep. But tomorrow's gonna be a good day because I'll be rested, and I'll go on a mountain bike ride with my friend and my chick. And maybe it'll be a good day. Maybe it won't be a good day. Who knows? Who knows? Boom, 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 boom. Well, it's getting kind of chilly in my parts. At least this weekend feels chilly. It's probably gonna be colder tomorrow. My garden's still raging, but it's only tomatoes and peppers. And there's 2 pumpkins. I should do a garden update. That's what I should do. A little garden update. A little harvest update. I say get on the mic, mic. Little girls is just charging right ahead. Should probably catch up. You're still recording? He wasn't gonna say nothing. That sheriff wasn't gonna say anything. I mean, you know what I should have asked, is there a bear on the trail? Should I be worried of an animal attacking? What are you guys doing? Yang, 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 yang. Yang, 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 yang. Dirt bike in the shop, 3 weeks. Probably won't get to ride it. Probably be snow or fucking shitty out.